बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मी योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इंस्ट्रक्टर मोहम्मद हसनैन एक बार फिर आप सबकी खिदमत में आज हाजिर हूँ। अब आप सबको पता होगा कि मैं थोड़े टाइम से नॉट द फ्रीक्वेंट वीडियोस, मेरे पास जो रिकॉर्डिंग्स हैं वो तो ऑनलाइन आ रही हैं अगेन एंड अगेन, बट जो मेरी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस हैं वो नहीं अपलोड हो रही। नाउ देयर आर अ फ्यू रीजंस फॉर दैट। I wanted to take a break from all the hectic stuff that was going on in my life and all the hectic things that I was going through. So I had a bit of a change with me. Now let me tell you people about something interesting. आज मैं निकला यहाँ पर, आज मैंने देखा and it was quite an interesting weather if being honest. एक ऐसा weather that resembles me, that makes me feel a bit happier. It's that feeling of comfort that you get from a certain weather. It can be sunny weather that you feel a bit more cheerful. It can be the cloudy, it can be the windy, it can be even rainy because some people find that more relevant to themselves. So वो मेरे ज़हन में भी था. I came out for a walk, wanted to take a walk, wanted to go around and just walk around. That's why I'm wearing all this. So मुझे पता है I look bad in it, so don't judge me for that. But the point is, I started to change things a bit. मैं बचपन ही से, not बचपन ही because I'm still a child, but from a younger age, like 1 year or something, half an year, I've been doing exercise frequently. but घर के अंदर ही मैं exercise कर रहा था because of my certain weight gain in the last year. And I thought that I do not need sports की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And I'm still strictly against sports unless एक obsession के तौर पर I'm strictly against it. But until it's more of a thing that you do for energy, I am very condoning it and I'm very happy if you people are doing that. I started to play things like badminton currently. It's been a long time that I'm playing it very continuously. I'm playing it whenever I'm in a state of stress, whenever I'm not feeling good, whenever I want to have just a bit change of mood, you know. I just go out, just play a bit of badminton. That cheers me up, that makes me a bit happier, that makes me feel better. I go on walks, I go and I do a lot of different other things. I like to do whatever I do and I do all those things. Now what is this all relevant to you people? Lots of the people I see online are either shut-ins that just keep themselves in their rooms, or are either people that are in a hectic job from 9 to 5 to something like that. For all the people that are doing something like this and are free, जो लोग free हैं, आपके लिए नहीं है ये, of course this is advice, पर जो लोग free नहीं होते, I would strictly recommend कि आप लोग थोड़ा सा अपने लिए एक ना एक, you should find yourself some sort of outing, some sort of energy, once a week हो या every night हो या जब भी हो. आप अपने लिए कुछ ऐसा ढूंढें कि वो आपके माइंड को रिफ्रेश रखेगा. बहुत से लोगों को मैंने देखा है, they've become emotionally and inside dead. वो डेड हो जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो दिन रात एक साइकिल से गुजर कर नो एक्साइटमेंट इन लाइफ, नो एड्रेनलिन, नो डोपामीन इन लाइफ, नो नथिंग एटसेट्रा इन लाइफ, और उसी की वजह से ज़्यादातर टाइम इट्स जस्ट बोरिंग हाउ यू पीपल लिव. So in that case scenarios, I would like to tell you people that find something that gives you energy, that makes you happier. It can be via doing something that gives you happiness, like sketching, like playing piano, like playing chess. I play chess, I do piano, I do sketching, I do so much more, play badminton nowadays. I do a lot of different things. ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे खुश करती हैं. तो जो चीज़ें आपको खुश करती हैं, like Japanese सीखना, it was my personal favorite thing because back in the day when I was starting off with Japanese, it was just strictly Duolingo. मेरे पास और कोई source नहीं था for proper Japanese learning. And when my parents came to know about my extreme amount of, you can say, interest in Japanese, so they offered me that I could work upon it more, and with good teachers I found out that how I can learn and speak Japanese better than what I used to. So इसी तरह आप भी अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा एक एक्सरसाइज, ऐसी एक एनर्जी रिफिलिंग, ऐसी एक एन्जॉयमेंट वाला, ऐसे एक डोपामीन, ऐसे एक एड्रेनलिन फीलिंग वाली चीज़ करें कि जिससे आपको एक वो एड्रेनलिन पंप मिले, एक रश मिले, कि जिससे आप जागे रहें, कि आपको जागने का, और फिर उसी के साथ एक प्लेजर भी आपको मिले कि जब आप वो चीज़ कंप्लीट कर लेते हो, सो यू हैव दैट अमाउंट ऑफ प्लेजर इन इट. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेनेवर एक असाइनमेंट